Number 1. Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, or shortened Lal Bagh, is an old botanical garden in Bengaluru, India. First planned and laid out during the Dawai-ship of Hyder Ali and later adorned with unique plant species by his son Tipu, it was later managed under numerous British superintendents before Indian independence. It was responsible for the introduction and propagation of numerous ornamental plants as well as those of economic value. Number 2. Bangalore Palace. An epitome of great architecture and beauty, the majestic Bangalore Palace preserves in the spice of old regal opulence. Currently the central attraction in Bangalore, the palace was built in the year 1878. A mixture of Tudor and Scottish Gothic architecture have resulted into the grand palace that we see today. The wooden structure of the palace along with the beautiful carvings both inside and outside showcases the royal culture in different ways. Apart from being a major tourist destination, the palace is a host to different cultural events, rock shows and marriages. Number 3. Bannerghatta National Park. Located 22 kilometers away from Bangalore, the Bannerghatta National Park is a sanctuary for a large variety of flora and fauna. Spread over a massive area of around 104.27 square kilometers, this national park was established in the year 1971. The park itself has a number of establishments within its confines, which includes the country's first butterfly park as well. The best part about Bannerghatta National Park is the small well-defined zones for animals that almost guarantees that you will spot the animals. Number 4. Cubbon Park. Spread over an area of 300 acres, Cubbon Park in the city of Bangalore is a major sightseeing attraction rich in green foliage. It is a greenbelt region of the city and is an ideal place for nature lovers and those seeking a calm atmosphere. Having been laid down by the Lord Cubbon, the park is named so in his honor. It is home to more than 6,000 trees that support a vibrant ecosystem. Another famous attraction in the Cubbon Park is the Bangalore Aquarium, which is the second largest aquarium in India. Number 5. Wonderla Amusement Park. Wonderla is said to be the best amusement park in the city and also one of the best in the country and attracts all those looking for a rush of adrenaline. While it is most famous for the high-thrills dry rides, it also features some relaxed fun rides, hence providing something for every visitor. Situated on the outskirts of Bangalore on the Mysore Road, Wonderla is a great museum plus water park featuring over 60 rides. It's quite popular for the collection of high-thrill rides, one of the main talking points of the park. Number 6. Lumbini Gardens. Lumbini Gardens is a public park on the banks of the Nagavara Lake in Bangalore, Karnataka, named after Lumbini of Nepal. It is dedicated to Lord Buddha. Although the garden is mainly a national park, it is a treat to the eyes with its serene landscapes and lots of greenery. Located near the Nagavara Lake, the Lumbini Gardens is one of its kind garden attraction of Bangalore. The garden garners plenty of visitors every day of the week. The beautiful serene environment of the lake hosts the visitors with mesmerizing view and activities that people come to enjoy with their loved ones. Number 7. Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace. Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace in Bangalore, India is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture and was the summer residence of the Masorean ruler Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali commenced its construction within the walls of the Bangalore fort and it was completed during the reign of Tipu Sultan in 1791. There are 4 smaller rooms in the corners of first floor which were zenana quarters. There are beautiful floral motifs embellishing the walls of the palace. The site also holds a painting of Grand Throne visualized by Tipu Sultan himself. Number 8. Ulsoor Lake. One of the largest lakes in Bangalore, the Ulsoor Lake is sprawled over an area of 50 hectares. Ulsoor Lake was built by Sir Lewin Bentham Bowring, was the Bangalore's commissioner at that time. Sit back or walk in the periphery of the park or click a few shots of the endemic birds that call this destination their home. One of the most popular activities in Ulsoor Lake is boating. Ulsoor Lake is also an important venue for the celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi sometime during the August and September every year. Number 9. ISKCON Temple, Bangalore. Sri Radha Krishna Chandra Temple is one of the largest Krishna Hindu temples in the world. Affiliated with ISKCON Revival Movement, it is located at Rajaji Nagar in North Bangalore in the Indian state of Karnataka. ISKCON temple is a revered shrine dedicated to Lord Krishna. The temple, under the guidance of Madhu Pandit Dasa, was inaugurated in the year 1997 by Shankar Dayal Sharma. Number 10. Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium in Bangalore is a popular attraction in the city that is administered by the Bangalore Association for Science Education. The entire establishment is meant for science enthusiasts with an aim to impart knowledge of the aspects of Earth and space in a fun and exciting way. From how to planet evolve, from the origin of life to human space expeditions, from how gravity works to how eclipses happen, the planetarium explains it all. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.